Here's 3 decorative ways to flourish the word December. It's a great idea to get a feel for how to write the letters before you start introducing pressure. So I'm using my free flourishing worksheet for Procreate. I'll leave a link in the description below. And this breaks down each version into 3 steps to make it easy for you. It also includes a free calligraphy brush for Procreate. So step number 1, we start by getting familiar with the strokes and how the letters are made. The dots tell you where each new stroke starts, and then you just follow the arrows around for the direction. I suggest writing with a monoline pencil for this, or something without pressure changes. So you don't even have to worry about stroke thickness for now. I'm using my own custom one, but the default HB pencil in the Procreate sketching set is also a good option. In step number 2, I'm going to change to my copper plate brush here. And now we're going to introduce pressure and trace over the example. So apply pressure to your downstrokes to get those thick strokes, and light pressure on your upstroke will give you a thinner stroke. For the B, it looks like it's made in 1 stroke, but it's actually 3 strokes. The first one starts up on the ascender line, and then we come back to where we started and finish the flourish, and then there's the filled in dot. In the last example, we've just got a different type of flourish on the D, then we've got this nice flourish on the M, and there's a variation on the B flourish as well. Step number 3 is to do it on your own, and there's a blank space provided below each example for you to practice. So you can grab this free worksheet below. And if you want to find out how to learn iPad calligraphy from scratch, check out my free class at ipadcalligraphy.com/workshop. Thanks, and see you next time.